Hi, my name's Ingrid. I'm from Guatemala. Yesterday we went out on the ocean, and after a couple of hours of not finding anything, we were getting a little bit desperate, and all of a sudden right in front of us we see this cetacean jumping in front of us, and we were all like, oh, dolphin, dolphin! And so actually it was a group of striped dolphins and common dolphins together. It was actually my first time of seeing a striped dolphin, so I was of course very excited. They're very beautiful, they're very elegant, I think, so that was a very nice experience. Striped dolphins, they are known for being very aerial, and so we were able to see this type of behavior. They were jumping very high on the air, and they were jumping at the same time, so it was quite impressive. We once saw about 6 or 7 dolphins, all of them jumping together at the same time. It was impressive to see this, and you could also see them jumping from one side to the other, always together. Yeah, the striped dolphins, they really like to jump. I'm very happy to be here, a little sad to leave, and I would definitely recommend this to anybody that's looking to have an experience in the field with working with cetaceans. I would definitely recommend it.